سلام حوات عالم مچم بزګرم زخونه فتنتیا تونچف زلا حج خامو حدا عب ነገር ይጋጥሙ ዘሎ ዝመጽ ረቡዕ 6 ግንቦት ማለት እዩ حدا عب ነገር ከጋጥሙ እዩ ዓለም ለሃዊ ምንቅስቃስ ኣብዛ ሓንቲ መዓልቲ እዚኣ ኣብ ሙሉ ዓለም ኣብ ኣሜሪካ ኣፍሪቃ ኤውሮጳ ኤስያን ፓሲፊክ ይኹን ካልእ ቦታታትን ሓደ ማዕበል ክካየድ ተመዲቡ ዘሎ እዚ AI adoption day ዝበሃል ልክዕ ከምቲ መዓልቲ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ መዓልቲ ሰራሕተኛታትን ካልእን ዘሎ ግንቦት 6 ድማ መዓልቲ ምጥቃም AI ወይ ድማ AI adoption day ይኾናሉ ማለት እዩ እቲ ፍሉይ ዝገብሮ ድማ እዚ መዓልቲ እዚ ኣብዛ ዓመት እዚ ይጅምር ኣብዛ መዓልቲ ድማ ብAI adoption day ዝተመደበ ኣብ ሙሉ ዓለም ካምፓኒታት ማሃስቲ መምሃራን ክኢላታት ብሓንሳብ ኮይኖም ነዛ መዓልቲ እዚኣ ንምኽባር ብኣካልን ብኦንላይንን ዝተፈላለዩ መደባት ኣዳልዮም ኣለዉ እቲ ዝሕጉስ ነገር ድማ ንመጀመርታ ግዜ ኣብዚ ዓለም ለኻዊ ኣጋጣሚ ሕብረተሰብና እውን ክሳተፍ ምዃኑ እዩ ሕብሪ ኣካዳሚ ድማ እቶም ንመጀመርታ ግዜ ንሕብረተሰብናን ቋንቋ ትግርኛን ወኪልና ኣብዚ ዓለም ለኻዊ ማዕበል ብምስታፍ ምስ ዓለም ለኻዊ ምንቅስቃስ AI adoption day ንሰርሕ ኣለና ብጣዕሚ ድማ ሓበን ይስማዓና ዓለም እናተወንጨፈት ከላ ንሕና ስቂልና ብጎኑ ኮይና ኣይክንርእን ኢና ክንሳተፍ ኢና ሕብረተሰብና ድማ ናይ ቴክኖሎጂ ንቕሓቱ ከዕቢ መሰል ኣለዎ ምክንያቱ ንAI ሎሚ እንተዘይተረዲእናዮ ፅባሕ ንግሆ ድሕሪት ክንተርፍ ስለንኽእል ስለዚ ን6 ግንቦት 2026 ረቡዕ መዓልቲ በቆጻጽራ ኤርትራ ሰዓት 9 ምሸት ድሕሪ ቀትሪ ንሰዓትን ፈረቓን ዝጸንሕ ሓደ ዓብ መደብ ኣዳሊና ኣለና እዚ መደብ እዚ ትምህርቲ ይኮነን ናብ ዓለም ናይ AI ንኣትወሉ መድረኽ እዩ ኣብዚ መደብ እዚ ብዛዕባ AI እንታይ ከም ዝኾነ ጌጋ ርድኢታትን ቁኑዕ ኣጠቓቕማን ክንመሃር ኢና ኣብ መጨረሻ ድማ ሓንቲ ክንጥቀመላ ንኽእል ነገር ሒዝና ድማ ክንከይድ ኢና እዚ መደብ ንኹሉ ድሕሪት ክተርፍ ዘይደሊ ሰብ ዝተዳለወ መደብ እዩ እዚ መደብ ድማ ብAI adoption day ዝተዳለወ ኮይኑ ሕብሪ ኣካዳሚ ድማ እቲ እንኮ ብቋንቋ ትግርኛ ነዚ መደብ እዚ ዘቕርብ ዘሎ ይኸውን ኣሎ ማለት እዩ እቲ ዝሕጉስ ድማ እዚ መደብ እዚ ብዘይ ክፍሊት ብነፃ ዝዳሎ መደብ ምዃኑ እዩ እዚ መደብ ንሰባት ዝቐድም ተበግሶ ኮይኑ ንሙሉእ ህዝቢ ዓለም ተጠቀምቲ ናይ AI ንኽኾኑ ከተባብዕ ዝዳሎ ዘሎ ዓለም ለኻዊ መደብ እዩ ሕብረተሰብና ድማ ኣካል ናይዚ መደብ እዚ ብምዃኑ የሐጉሰናን የኹርዓናን ንስኻ ወይ ንስኺ ድማ ኣብ ቅድሚ ዓይንኹም ታሪኽ እናተሰርሐ ስቂልኩም ኣይትረኣዩ ኣብዛ ታሕቲ ዘላ ፎርም ብምምላእ ድማ ኣብዛ መዓልቲ ምጥቃም AI ዝካየድ መደብ ተጸምቢርኩም ምሳና ክትውዕሉ ብክብሪ ይዕድመኩም ውሕዳት ሰባት ስለንቕበል ቀልጢፍኩም ቦታኩም ክትሓዝኡ ኣቐዲመ ይሕብር ኣብ ግንቦት 6 ሕብሪ ኣካዳሚ ምስ AI adoption day መጻኢ ባዕሉ መጺ ኣሎ ብሓንሳብ ኮይንና ድማ ንቋደሶ
All right, buckle up my Habesha people. I have something to tell you. The world is changing to an incredible speed. And now something even bigger is happening. This coming Wednesday, May 6th, a major global event will take place. A worldwide movement on this single day across the entire world, like in America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Africa. A powerful wave is being organized, guys. This is AI adoption day. You know, just like we have International Women's Day or Workers' Day, May 6th is becoming the day of using AI adoption day. And what makes it even more special is that this is the very first year it's being launched. On this day, across the world, companies, innovators, educators, and experts are coming together, both physically and online, to host different events and celebrate this moment. And the most exciting part is, guys, for the very first time, our community is also part of this global event. Hebra Academy, representing our people in the Tigrinya language, is proudly joining this global movement as a host partner of AI Adoption Day, and we are truly proud of this. As the world moves forward, we refuse to stand aside and just watch. We chose to participate because our community deserves to grow its AI awareness. Because if we don't understand AI today, we risk being left behind tomorrow, guys. That is why on May 6, 2026 at 9 p.m. Eritrean time, we're hosting a 90-minute online event. Trust me, this is not just a class, it's a gateway for you into the world of AI. In this session, you will learn what AI really is, the common misconceptions and the truth, the practical ways you can start using AI immediately. So you will live with something that you can really apply. This event is designed for anyone who refuses to be left behind. And the most important thing is, guys, it's completely free. And I would also like to mention that this global initiative is a people-first initiative designed to bring people up to speed with AI. and we're proud that our community is becoming part of this. So my friend, don't just sit and watch while history is being made in front of your eyes. Fill out the form below. Join us for the AI Adoption Day. The spots are limited, guys. Act fast. Again, on May 6th, Hebra Academy is collaborating with AI Adoption Day as a hosting partner. As we speak, the future has already arrived. Let's just step into it together, guys. Guys, the time is up. Act fast. See you then. Thank you.